Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. To get the student edition of HyperWorks and its products, open Google and type in HyperWorks Student Edition and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the Google search and hit the download now button. You will be directed to a page where you need to fill in all the details to request for the student edition. If you're a student, you can fill all the details here, and in case if you don't have a university given email address, you can use your personal email ID. For the Ethernet host ID, click on the link here and execute the file that is downloaded. You will have the Ethernet host ID of your device, copy it and paste it in the column given. Now approve the terms and condition and click apply. Now if you are a working professional, follow the similar steps, and for the email address, fill in with your personal email ID and proceed. After requesting for the student edition, you need to wait for 2 to 3 days until Altair sends you an email regarding the request approval. Meanwhile, you would have received an email from our side to fill in the details. If you are a student, click on the student tab and fill in all these details which has been asked. And in case if you are a working professional, you click on this non-student general tab and fill in all these details. Once you receive the license email from Altair, you may follow the steps in the email to proceed with the installation. Thank you guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey guys, this is Sarang from Skill-Lync and I wanted to make a quick announcement regarding Altair licensing. The license process typically takes 1 to 2 weeks to complete, so make sure that you request for a license as soon as possible. The exact instructions that you need to follow are provided in the next video. Now, one thing that I want you to remember is if you don't follow that process correctly, there will be a delay in your license processing, which means you won't be able to practice any of the simulations that the instructor is demonstrating. All right, so I hope this makes sense and you fill in the license request quickly. Thank you so much. Bye.